Hey folks, Mike here, Mike Duncan. Thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos, and this is simply how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to be talking about a specific business, a specific affiliate marketing business, and that is the Power Lead system. However, we have now got a brand new sales funnel called the Forever Wealth system. You may have heard of it, you may not have. You may have heard of the Power Lead system, you may not have. But I don't care if whether you're brand new or whether you've absolutely been around for forever. But you will make money with the Forever Wealth system if you follow the system. If you follow what the actual funnel, sales funnel shows you. Okay, it's not about what we've done here with the Forever Wealth system. We've tried to totally simplify it. This system, this sales funnel, actually does everything for you. It does all the explaining, all the orienteering, not orienteering, it's orientating. So all the explaining, all the orientating, does all the signing up, it does all the selling, it does all the setting up for you, okay, and then it goes on to do all the training and all the background stuff that you don't normally see with most affiliate businesses. Okay, now we have a as an affiliate we have a residual commission system that is second to none. Okay, we have an affiliate commission system which is absolutely second to none. It allows you to build a steady cash flow. Okay, and we also have big back end commissions, $100, $400, even $1,000 one-time commissions. But I'm not here to talk about the money side of it because that is actually explained in the actual sales funnel. Okay, so as I said, I don't care whether you've been here forever or whether you're brand new, but if you follow the system, I'm going to try and keep this as short as I can, then you will make money with the Power Lead Systems Forever Wealth system. So what you need to do, if you look, subscribe to my YouTube channel for starters. Okay, that's really important. Click the button below. It's bottom right hand corner, I believe. There's a button that says ask you to subscribe. There's a bell somewhere, ding dong bell. I don't know where, but you should see it. Just click on that as well. That will make sure that you get notifications from me when I upload new content. Yeah, and if you're fed up of watching me already and you just want to have a look, see what it's all about, go down to the description below the video and you'll find a link. I think it's join.me-duncan.com, something like that. You'll see it anyway. If you click that, you'll be able to actually go through the sales funnel so you can actually see it working. But I'm going to show it you here. So if you want to do that and then come back, pause this video and come back, that's cool as well. We can, if you've got any questions, you can come back here and ask below in the comments for me. If you're watching on Facebook as well, give me a thought, give me a like and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Now, as I said, this sales funnel does everything for you. It does all the explaining, all the orientating, it does all the selling, the signing up, the setting up and the training. So it leaves you with a lot more time to actually get people or to generate traffic. So what we actually do once you've got signed up, we're going to show you how to generate traffic. A free method using Facebook and LinkedIn. Okay, we're not going to ask you to go off and buy traffic on solo ads, spend money doing Facebook ads or anything like that. We're going to show you. We've got the best training for Facebook and LinkedIn out there, and this training will actually teach you how to find the right people and what to say to them to get them interested in your business, or to find out whether there is a need or a want or an interest in your business. Okay, so save time talking to every Tom, Dick and Harry that ain't got a clue what you're on about, don't want to know anything in any way, and are never ever going to get started. Save time doing that and just talk to the right people. But I'll show you that. So once you've done that, once you've got your system set up, what will happen? I'll show you what happens. What you're looking at now is one of the lead capture pages. You get 6. Why did I say 6? Because that's only 4. You get 6. 6. Okay. You get 6 lead capture pages. Now, you can set up a site. You can set up a link for each lead capture page and try them all out, or you can just find one that you like the look of and use that one. Okay, one that you resonate with. Okay, and you can swap and change them. It's entirely up to you, but we'll show you how to do that as well. So this is one of the lead capture pages. Your job is to get people to have a look at this, to click on your link first of all. So an advert, or you've been talking to somebody and they said, yes, I've got a need for this, or I might be interested in looking at this because the tools that you're offering sound fantastic, and the affiliate side of things sound amazing. You've got some really good commission structure there. I'll have a look at your business. So then you send them your link and they click on that link and they come to this page or one of the other 5 lead capture pages, and they're going to put their email address in there. Okay, because they want the information that you've promised them. Once they've done that, they're going to come through to this page. This is a 16-minute long video that does the initial explaining. Okay, so it just explains, gives you an outline of what the business is. Okay, and what they can expect in the next few steps. Watch that video, and then when they watch that video, if they're still interested and if you're still interested, you're going to click that next button. Yes, let me in now. Let's see if this works. Actually, I've already got this page open. So once they come through to that page, there's another video there that will go into even more detail of what they can expect and what they're going to need to do, and all about, this is where they'll explain all about how they get paid. Okay, that's pretty important. But what's more, it's all well and good knowing how you're going to get paid and what you're going to get paid, but what have you got to do to get paid? Okay, that's what most funnels or sales systems fail to explain to you fully. So what have you got to do to get paid? This will explain that in full detail. Okay, so you've come through to that page, you've watched that video. The next step you're going to do, you're either going to piss off and go and watch somebody else's video, or you're going to go to the next step. And the next step is your fast start, and all that is your signing up page. I'll show you that quickly. So this is where you sign up, and then once people have signed up there, that's how you get paid. That's where you start. That's where the cash starts to flow. Okay, the next step is to log in. Once you've created your account on the fast start button, okay, you'll be sent an email with a link and a username and a password and a link. That will take you to this page where you will use your username and password to log into your back office. Okay, once you've done that, okay, this is what I mean about it steps you through the setting up process. Once you've done that, you're then going to come back to this sales funnel, click on the system setup, watch a very short video again, and then you're going to go through steps 1, 2, 3. Okay, these will actually get your replicated sales funnel all set up and coded to you. So what you're going to get is an exact replica of this sales funnel, completely done for you, and all you've got to do is send people to the lead capture page. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what you've looked at the lead capture page, you've seen the initial explanation page, and then the orientation pages. Now you've got the steps 1, 2, and 3 to get going. The bonus step, okay, now that could be the paid traffic setup page, because what part of this sales funnel is a a paid traffic website where you can go and buy traffic if you wanted to. If you don't want to, that's absolutely fine, but you still need to use that as part of the funnel, because some of your leads will. Some of your signups will want to use paid traffic. And if they go to that website and use that, then you'll get a commission. So this ticks all the boxes. It's got everything that any affiliate, network marketing, or multi-level marketing, business absolutely needs. It ticks all the boxes: multiple income streams, multiple lead capture pages, and a done for you sales funnel that's completely coded to you. Okay, so other things you've got down there, we do every week on a Wednesday, we do what's called the PLS Hangout. It's an overview webinar that explains all about the other tools and the other things that you can do with the Power Lead system. Because to be honest, it's got everything any marketer will ever need all under one umbrella. It's got the cash flow residual compounding commissions. It's got the big back end $100, $400, and $1,000 commissions. It's got an autoresponder, contact manager, pre-written emails. It's got all the training that you will ever need, and it's all under one umbrella. Okay, but today we're just concentrating on this one system, which simplifies the whole process of affiliate marketing. Once you've got this set up and you start sending some traffic to it and you start making some money, then you can fiddle around with the other bits and pieces, build funnels for other businesses, for yourself or for other people. So that's that. Now I'm going to show you that training. Once you log in, once you've got your funnel all set up and you're ready to get some traffic to your funnel, you need to come here, and you'll need to, let me just move me out the way. I don't know whether that will work. Okay, it's already open here, but I'm just going to show you. You need to come to the training tab and come across to the top right hand section where it says endless free leads. Now this retails on the internet. It's a real thing for $300, but we give it to you as part of your affiliate package. So once you become a gold affiliate member, we give you this for free to help you generate traffic and sales. And it's the best marketing, it's the best training for Facebook and LinkedIn out there. Okay, this guy Max Steingart will show you personally, okay, how to start talking to the right people. So you're not talking to every Tom, Dick and Harry, as I said earlier. You're talking to the right people that need and want your business or your product or whatever it is you're peddling or selling. Okay, so if you do nothing else, you need to plug into this like your life depends on it. Okay, go through it. It's not going to take an hour. It's not going to take 2 hours. It's not going to take 3 hours. It's going to take over your life. Okay, but all you need is a couple of hours a day, 2 maybe 3 hours a day. You can spend an hour doing endless free leads, learning how to find the right people and what to say. We give you a script book so you haven't even got to think up what to say. You can just copy the scripts, just change them slightly to suit your situation, and just get out there and find people so you can show them your business. So instead of what most people do is they just slam their link all over the Facebook groups, hundreds of Facebook groups, and hope that somebody's going to come along that wants what they've got. Okay, now I call that teabag marketing. It's just a saying that I picked up from my days in car sales. Okay, I call that teabag marketing, and it works. You're looking at 1 in 1,000 people that are going to see your post on Facebook are going to be interested. But this way, we're actually actively looking for people that have got an interest. So an hour a day doing this, and then an hour a day putting what you've learned into practice will bring in sales. You're going to be talking to a lot less people, but making a lot more sales this way. So endless free leads, if you do nothing else, come to your back office, hover over the training tab and click on endless free leads. You will have to create an account the first time round, but hey, it's well worth it, okay, because it's hosted on another server. Anyway, I've gone on. I was hoping to keep this down to 10 minutes. I just go on, don't I? I just run off at the mouth too long. But look, I had a really important message I wanted to get out there. I hope I've communicated it. If you've got any value out of this, if you can see the potential, just click the link below and go through the sales funnel and have a look for yourself. Okay, see how professional it is. Leave me a comment, please. If you've got any questions, you'll have all my contact details. God help me, you'll have my Facebook, so you can add me on Facebook and message me. You'll have my email address. You'll have my phone number. What am I doing? You'll be able to text me. You'll be able to WhatsApp me. You can even phone me. Okay, and if you've got any questions, I'll be happy to help. So look, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you get any notifications, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.